This is the short video of the saw Oberg with 400 millimeters diameter of saw blade. From right hand side is air inlet. It must be pressurized to the 7 bars, also the electric socket. This is the control panel, and from the left is the clamping lever, then the stop sewing, start sewing, and then on the right hand side is a main engine start. The saw is equipped with the safety cover with the safety switch, and inside of the saw is a little valve with which can control the speed of the saw blade when going upwards. Not the revolution of the saw blade, but the speed when it's going upwards. So I can start the engine. I will use clamping lever to clamp. Close the cover. And now just enough to start sewing. Now I can actually stop sewing, but when it reaches stop position, it goes down automatically. So I will shut the engine down, open the cover, release clamping, and it's all done.